Racedom offers the best ignition upgrade kit, built from MSD parts, for one-cylinder motorcycles, like those running on Category Pro Z, Mini Pro etc. This is the optimum solution for drag racing or even everyday usage. The coil will also top off your MSD DIS-HO output ignition system when it is set up for a coil-per-cylinder ignition system. The coil's low resistance and the quick rise time make it ideal for high revving, multi-coil performance systems. The MSD Universal Replacement wire that is included, it is 20 cm long with 90 degrees boots and terminals. The wire is built from the standard 8.5 mm MSD red wire,